in the expansion of x squared minus k over 2x bracket to the power 6, where k is a positive constant. So k has to be positive. And the term independent of x is 15. The term independent of x is 15. That means what the coefficient of x to the power 0. When you expand this, the coefficient of x to the power 0 is 15. Okay, also called the constant because independent of x means it's a constant. And then we want to find the value of k. Okay, we may want to use a binomial theorem to expand this. Okay, just a refreshment. This is a binomial theorem expansion. Okay, it's a summation of all the terms. So this part is so-called the x, and this part is the y. If you put x squared plus minus k over 2x, so this part is the y. So n is 6. Okay, and we want to find where is the term where x is to the power 0, or so-called constant x to the power 0. So when x to the power 0, what is my r? Okay, so okay, from the formula, if x to the power 0, my r has to be n minus n. But over here, because it's a bit complex over here, so we may want to tidy up this expansion first. So bring out the x to the top, to the numerator. So tidy up the maths. So x squared, using the formula, x squared to the power 6 minus r. N is 6. 6 minus r. And then x minus 1 to the power r and minus k over 2 to the power r. Okay, just apply the formula. And the next step, again, tidy up this part and put all the x together, the two x's together. So we get 12 minus 3r. And we want this to be 0 because independent of x. So when x to the power 0, what is my r? Okay. So just take x to the power 0. So 12 minus 3r will be 0. So r is 4. Okay, when we have found the r, then we know that the coefficient of this constant is 15. Okay, so if you know the coefficient is 15, we want to find this k. Our aim is to find k. So when r equals 4, the term is independent of x. Okay, so the coefficient is 15. So coefficient is 15, that means coefficient is referring to this 6cr and this part minus k over 2 to the power r. And then we have found that k to the power 2, k over 2 minus k over 2 to the power r is 4. We have found that r is 4 because when r is 4, we will get independent of x. So again, just tidy up these two parts. Okay, put this together because x to the power 0 is 1. So we know that the coefficient is 15. So this is the coefficient of independent of x. These two. This is so-called independent of x, x0. So this is equals to 15 is given in the question. So 6cr is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 over 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 is over 4 factorial. You may also use calculator to get the answer straight away. Okay, and then again tidy out the maths. We get k equals to 2. In fact, this one we get k equal to plus or minus 2, but we want k positive. So k is 2. Minus 2 will be rejected because the given question say k must be a positive. Okay, positive constant. So that is the answer for k.